What's up, everybody? D'Angelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And I thought I would make this video on how I made $5,000 in 22 days with Amazon Flex. So I already made the video showing all the proof and everything along those lines. This is basically going to be like answering questions and just like how I was actually able, to do that rather than just showing you guys the proof and all that fun stuff. So one of the questions I got asked a lot on that video is, do I use an Amazon FlexBot? So a FlexBot pretty much just goes out and gets you routes. So I'm imagining the way it's set up, at least from what the websites was talking about, is let's just say, all right, I'm available between this time, and I want routes that pay $150 for 3 hours or something like that, right? Or whatever your stuff is, and then whenever that route comes up, it would automatically go into your Amazon Flex account or however it works, and then from there it would just automatically snatch that up, and that would be that, right? So that's pretty smooth. Like, honestly, I thought about it until I looked it up and saw that your account can get shut down if you use these. Not to mention, oh my God, some of them are a complete and utter rip off. I saw one, they was talking about they want 20% of every single route that they get you. God. Oh my God. 20%? That's like, let's say you make 100K for the year. You go out and bust your ass. Like, you just package. Well, I guess it really wouldn't be like that with Amazon Flex. It'd be more like package, then run back to your car, drive for 15 minutes, then package. But anyway, y'all get the point. If you make 100K, they're taking $20,000 off top, right off the just gone. Nah, it's just not worth it in my opinion. At least for those type of ones where they take a percentage of each one. No, if you're gonna use one, I would say go to the ones that charge like 50, $60 for the week, or $40 a week or something like that. One where it's like a flat fee for the week, because I mean it's not like you can't get them made either. Like, you can literally get these made. Like, I ain't no front. I actually thought about that as well, just getting one made and then just plugging it real hard. Like, I'll take 20%. You want to give it to me? But anyway, yeah, you got like I said, these Amazon bots or whatever. So no, I do not use any type of Amazon bot, Flex bot, whatever you want to call it. No, I do not. All right. Two, I just check periodically throughout the day if I'm actually trying to do like a YouTube video and stuff. So like last month, I wasn't trying to make a YouTube video or anything, so I literally did like, I think it was like 3 or 4 routes for the entire month. Like, I had things to do. I wanted to go out and hit it real hard just so I can see how much money you can cap out making for the entire month. I'm guessing around $6,000 or $7,000 for the month is what you can make doing Amazon Flex if you going out there and you taking all the routes that you can, and obviously ones that pay a decent amount of money. All right. Now, how I got all those high paying routes, the ones that pay 190, 211, 140, 150, over and over and over for every single route, is I just simply did not take base pay. And that was it. So when I first started doing it, so like when I made that video in the with the $5,000 thing, you guys can see it was like in the beginning of the month or something like that, but my paychecks was like my first paycheck of that month was stupid low. It was like $100, and the second one was like $200, and after that it was like $500, $700, $800, like over and over and over. And the reason why that those first two was super low is because I was taking base pay. So the reason how I found out that I wasn't supposed to do base pay was because I went to the Amazon little warehouse thing where you pick up the packages and such, right? So I had one for $90 for 5 hours. And then the guy over here, he had one, it was like $185 for 4 hours. And then this dude had one, it was like $165 for 3 hours or something like that. And then Amazon just, they didn't have any routes, so they just paid us all out, which is freaking crazy. Like, in that video with the 5K and 22 days, like literally 5 or 10 of those routes was 100% free. Like, right off top. So that covers all your gas and everything. It's literally for free. And it happens a lot. Like a lot. But anyway, I'm sitting here, because I just, I'm nosy and I like to ask. I ask a lot of questions. I'm sitting here like, oh, well, how much did you get paid to do this? And he's like 185, and the dude's like 165. I'm like, oh damn, I must did like a full day route. Like, he's like, oh no, this was a 3 hour, and the dude's like a 4. I'm like, well, hold on now. I had a 5 hour route, and mine was way less. So then I found out, one, you never take base pay. Then after that, and again, that's how all the bigger payments start coming in, and I actually started making some decent money doing it. And yeah, that's pretty much it on that front. Now, I also had a question. He was like, do you schedule them in advance, or do you like wait till the last minute and get them? Now, if you wait to the very last minute and get them, obviously it's going to be at the highest because that's when it's in the most demand. Like, so if you like literally at the Amazon like station thing or whatnot, and somebody cancel, like they need you right then and there. So you might get like a $50 or $100 markup on it just because, like the dude I was talking to, he said, he got one that was like $265 one time. So the highest I've gotten is a 211. Those come out come in really often, you know. But yeah. So if you schedule in advance, it just depends on what it is. Like I've had some I scheduled in advance. They was $211, and that was like a week from now, or I mean not a week, but a few days from now, or it might be tomorrow. If I see one, and I'm like right down the street, or I feel like doing one or whatever, then I'll just pick it up. It doesn't matter to me. It just all depends on if the price is right, and that's it. So yeah, so just don't do base pay, and then you'll be fine. Like you'll make a crap ton of money doing this if you just simply don't do base pay, and that's it. But what else is there? I know there's something else. Oh, when it comes to sorting. So at least how I do it or whatnot is basically I stop at M on one side of the vehicle, and then I have N start on the other side of the vehicle. So everything after N I throw on one side, and everything before M I put on the other side. It just depends on the size of your vehicle because man, if you try to do this in like a super small car, oh my god! Like I be seeing dudes like just stuffing stuff in the car, and like all the boxes are real high. So I mean they got to take out every single package, to find one package, and they got to do that for every single stop. I mean obviously you got to sort. Your sorting has to be on point. If you're in a big vehicle, it really doesn't matter, But yeah, if your vehicle can take E85, definitely make sure you do that. My truck takes E85. So before all this stuff where it was hiked up stupid high, I was actually paying like $2.30 a gallon, even when everybody else was paying like $3. So yeah, like you save quite a bit of money if you can get on if your vehicle can take E85. If you have a yellow cap, more than likely, I'm pretty sure you can take E85. Look it up first because I want everybody, oh man, you fucked up my car. Like, nah, bro, look that up first. But yeah, I'm thinking that is pretty much it. That's all the little tips that I got for you. I don't do grocery. I hope you to ask a few times. Your boy is a horrible employee. That's the whole reason I quit and started my businesses in the first place. But anyway, I go do those when my account is like at risk. Like, oh, he didn't put this where he's supposed to, bro. I'm not finna go up 16 flights to drop off a package at your door. That shit going right to the mailroom. But anyway, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Hope y'all had a good day.